Bam! We're back at it again on this project. This was gonna be a part 2, but I probably don't have no time for that, so it'll probably be a daily vlog. All right, let's check this out. Got some of the road base action. Some sand for the pavers. Some storage, I guess. These guys are offloading the pavers because no deliveries. Because of COVID. Nah, just kidding. What's up, Chris? How's it going?
Pretty good.
Working hard or hardly working? Always working hard. Damn, man. Joshua. Johnny, ¿cómo andamos?
Al 100.
Why do you guys work so fast?
I don't speak English.
Oh my goodness. Alright, so this is the progress, guys. All the road base is in. We got our pipes for we got all our pipes for the barbecue island. It has begun. Check it out. All right, let's check this out. Fausto, where are you gonna do the walkway? Where's you gonna start?
Here, on the line.
Is that what he said?
Here, yeah. 4 feet.
4 feet? Yeah. That's what he said, the customer? Yeah. Are you sure? All right, if that's what he wants, that's what he wants. So guys, usually, not usually, but you guys know I'm up and down doing a bunch of quotes and talking to customers, looking at the little details here and there. So my lead man and the homeowner, they usually get together and they communicate. So they're like, they want it this way, they want it that way, little changes here and there. Then I'm aware of them, you know, they tell me, you know, and then that's the way we just do it and just make it happen. Keep the ball rolling so everything just gets fixed as it goes. But you know, they get me in the loop just so we can see what's going on. Let's turn this around a little more. All right, guys, so we're gonna go to the next job pretty soon. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, check it out. We're on this project right here. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Getting ready for retaining wall. We got lucky that this neighbor is letting us use all this parking right here. This job would have been really hard to do. Check it out. That's coming out, but we're trying to get the straight line right here for the retaining wall. So we'll be removing all of this right here soon. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. I don't know why he's not using another machine, but I'll tell him right now. All right. Alright, I couldn't make it to the other job because it got canceled till next week for the countertop we're pouring for a barbecue island, alright? So guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like and share. Put your comments below, alright? Till next time.